Hey, welcome back. Today we're talking about 10 business moves that'll absolutely glow up your bank account. If you're serious about making real money and building actual wealth, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First up is mastering the art of delegation. A lot of entrepreneurs think they have to do everything themselves, and that's the fastest way to burn out and stay broke. When you delegate tasks to other people, you're essentially buying back your time. And your time is your most valuable asset. You should be spending it on high-income activities that only you can do. Maybe that's closing deals, creating your core product, or building relationships with major clients. Hire someone to handle the admin work, the social media posting, the email management. Yes, it costs money upfront. But the return on investment is massive because you're now free to focus on activities that actually generate revenue. The people who build real wealth understand this fundamental truth. You cannot scale yourself. You have to build a team. Number 2 is raising your prices. This one sounds simple, but so many business owners leave money on the table because they're uncomfortable charging what they're actually worth. If you're consistently booked, if clients are saying yes immediately, if you're not losing deals because of price, then you're priced too low. Even a modest price increase of 10 to 20% can have a dramatic impact on your bottom line. Let's do the math. If you're making $50,000 a year and you raise prices by just 15%, you're now making $57,500. That's $7,500 more with the exact same amount of work. And here's the thing. Most clients won't even notice the increase if you frame it right. They're paying for value, not your hourly rate. So test it. Raise your prices and watch what happens. Third is building multiple income streams. Relying on one source of income is dangerous. What happens if that client leaves? What if your main product stops selling? What if the economy shifts? You need revenue flowing from different directions. Offering different service tiers, creating digital products, launching a coaching program, building an affiliate income stream, whatever makes sense for your business. The goal is to diversify, so that if one stream dries up, you're not completely dependent on it. Plus, multiple income streams compound. Money from stream 1 can be reinvested into stream 2, which generates money that goes into stream 3. Before you know it, you've got this beautiful ecosystem of revenue creating wealth automatically. Number 4 is getting serious about your numbers. You cannot improve what you don't measure. Too many business owners have no idea what their actual profit is. They see revenue and think they're making money, but they haven't subtracted expenses, taxes, or overhead. You need to know your metrics inside and out. What's your profit margin? What's your customer acquisition cost? What's your lifetime customer value? What percentage of your revenue goes to different expense categories? When you truly understand these numbers, you can make strategic decisions that actually move the needle. You'll spot inefficiencies. You'll know which products are making you money and which ones are costing you. You'll understand exactly where to invest for maximum return. Get an accountant. Use accounting software. Track everything. This knowledge is power, and power is profit. Fifth is negotiating better deals. Whether you're negotiating with suppliers, contractors, clients, or lenders, your ability to negotiate directly impacts your cash flow and profitability. Most people accept the first offer because they're uncomfortable with the negotiation process. But everything is negotiable. You can negotiate payment terms, discount rates, bulk pricing, contract length, you name it. Even small improvements add up. If you negotiate a supplier down by 5% and you're spending $100,000 a year with them, you just saved $5,000. That's $5,000 you didn't have before. Plus, negotiating builds relationships and shows the other party that you're a serious business operator. So get comfortable with the uncomfortable conversation. Ask for better terms. The worst they can say is no. Sixth is automating repetitive tasks. In today's world, you have access to tools and technology that your competitors probably don't even know about. Use them. Automate your invoicing, your email follow-ups, your social media posting, your customer onboarding, your payment processing. Every hour you spend on a task that could be automated is an hour you're not spending on something that moves your business forward. There's software for basically everything now. And sure, these tools cost money, but they pay for themselves immediately by freeing up your time. Think about it this way. If you're making $100 an hour and a tool costs $50 a month but saves you 5 hours a month, that tool is putting $450 straight into your pocket. Automation is one of the quickest wins in business. Number 7 is building strategic partnerships and collaborations. You don't have to do everything alone. Find businesses that serve a similar audience but aren't direct competitors, and figure out how you can work together. You can co-market, share leads, create joint products, cross-promote to each other's audiences. A good partnership can introduce you to hundreds or thousands of potential customers for little to no cost. Plus, you get to leverage the other person's expertise, audience, and credibility. The network you build becomes a business asset. The relationships you cultivate become profit centers. Some of the most successful people in business got there by being really good at connecting the dots and bringing people together. So be intentional about building relationships with other ambitious entrepreneurs. 8 is optimizing your customer retention. It costs 5 to 25 times more to acquire a new customer than it does to keep an existing one. Yet so many businesses focus all their energy on getting new customers and ignore the ones they already have. Your existing customers are your goldmine. They already know you. They already trust you. They've already bought from you. The easiest money you can make is from people who've already given you money before. So focus on retention. Deliver incredible service. Stay in touch. Ask for feedback. Make it easy for them to buy from you again. Offer loyalty programs. Create exclusive offers for repeat customers. A 5% improvement in customer retention can increase profits by 25 to 95%, depending on your industry. That's insane. That's the kind of leverage you should be obsessed with. 9th is investing in your own education and skill development. The most successful people are relentless learners. They invest in courses, coaching, masterminds, conferences, books, whatever helps them level up their skills and knowledge. This isn't an expense, it's an investment. And it's the best investment you can make because you're investing in the income-producing asset, yourself. When you learn a new skill, when you gain new knowledge, that stays with you forever. No one can take it away. You carry it into every business you build, every deal you negotiate, every relationship you develop. So commit to becoming world-class at what you do. That commitment directly translates to higher income and more financial security. And finally, number 10 is thinking long-term and playing the compounding game. Wealth doesn't come from one big score. It comes from consistent action over time, combined with the magic of compounding. You make money, you reinvest some of it, that generates more money, you reinvest again, and suddenly you've got this exponential growth happening. But this only works if you stick with it. Most people quit too soon. They don't see results in month 1, so they give up. But compound growth is slow at first. You don't see the real magic until year 3, year 5, year 10. The people who get rich are the ones who commit to the process and stay the course, even when progress feels slow. So pick your business, commit fully, and understand that wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. There you have it, 10 business moves that'll absolutely transform your bank account. Master delegation so you can focus on high-income activities. Raise your prices to capture the real value you're creating. Build multiple income streams so you're not dependent on one source. Know your numbers inside and out. Negotiate aggressively. Automate everything you can. Build strategic partnerships. Obsess over customer retention. Invest in yourself constantly. And play the long game with compound growth. Do these 10 things. Do them consistently. And your bank account will absolutely glow up.